So it's someone's birthday and it's coming up, and you want to make sure you want to turn on the candle just in time and without getting the flames going. This is the problem I run into trying to turn something on and it won't get it because either the light, it's just either because either it's too windy or too much in drama in the air or not enough fluid sometimes, and it's a pain in the butt. So today we're actually going to bring a new lighter to the place. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and compare it to this one, and we're going to turn on this candle one way or another. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you guys notice, the component is actually almost the same size. It's because it has a gooseneck, right? And that's the only reason. But the gooseneck is flexible. If you guys notice, flexible gooseneck. They give you a charging station. We're gonna go a little bit more over on the charging station. But basically, all you got to do is turn it on, hit the button, and just let it burn. That's it. We got a candle. It's burning. It's burning. We got the candle going in a matter of seconds. Very simple. And not only that, no batteries required at all. It's just basically everything's built in. Charging it, it's on the bottom. Instead of putting fluid on the bottom, it's the charging station in the bottom, which is a micro USB. If you guys see it, micro USB connection. And then the component, you could lock it out so it won't turn on by accident or any kids playing with it because it's electrical voltage that's passing through. This is flexible. Don't recommend you putting your fingers in there. It's going to give you a jolt, right? So make sure you keep it away from kids. Plenty of charging, and all you got to do is hold the button there. Let me show you guys how it looks like. The little tiny bit of it. So that's the best I can do. Look at that. You can see the fire there. You can see it turning on too. So just to show you guys how strong it is. Fireworks, look at that. You're not going to have an issue at all turning on kind of fireworks. Plus, they give you the extra gooseneck so it could be a little safer distance. This is perfect. Candles, you could turn on the candles, very simple. It's all electricity that's working with. They do sell lighters for this, but this is actually going to replace the actual fluid lighter. So let's lock it out. So if you guys own one of these and you're tired, fed up of filling it up, or maybe running out of fluid, or keep clicking in it, and it has a safety too also, but this one, it's 100 times faster and a lot better. So easy to set up, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.